everyone, and welcome back to So Aldo DIY. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I made this simple long sleeve dress. So if you want to see how, then keep on watching. First thing I will do is cut out all the pieces that I will need for this sewing project. So I'm cutting the front and back bodices, and I'm just using a regular basic blocks patterns for this. And I'm also going to use like a basic long sleeve pattern. So I'm just going to cut it out. I place it on fold. I just want to make sure that I place the fabric along the grains so it will stretch out. The fabric that I'm using is called Scuba Knit. Now it's time to cut out the skirt panel. So this piece of paper that I slash is just a quarter of my waistline, and I place it like this, and I'm just going to space it like 2 inches apart. But the idea is I want to get as much fabric as I can so the dress will have some sort of volume. Then I curve the waistline. As you can see, it is a little on the taller side, so I'm just going to fix that. Then I will use this piece as my template to cut out the back panel. We'll have 8 pieces of fabrics, and that is including the neck facing. I'm going to close the darts. I'm working on the sleeves. I'm just closing the inseam. I'm going to join the bodices on the shoulders and side seams. I will do the same for the neck facing. I will join it at the shoulders. Next, I place the facing on the neckline, and I'm going to match it at the shoulders and sew it all the way around. I trim off the excess seam allowance, and I'm going to grade it by cutting little cuts along the seams to release the tension along the curve. Then I'm going to understitch it, making sure that the seam allowance is resting on the facing side. Flip it under, and I'm going to give it a good press. Then I am going to top stitch the facing so it will stay put. So it's about 1 inch all the way around. Now it's time to join the side seams. Decided to add darts on the skirt panels just because the inspiration that I was going for has darts on the skirt. So first I fold the skirt in half to find the center front, and then using that mark I draw my darts. So the darts are going to be 5 inches in length and 1 inch wide. And I will have to do that on the back panel as well. Close the darts, then I join the skirt at the side seams. After that, I match the waistline together and stitch all the way around, and I am using a stretch stitch because I want to be able to stretch the waistline when I put on the dress because this doesn't have zipper at all. I sewed a gathering stitch on the shoulder sleeves, and I'm going to lightly gather it so I can set it in the arm side. After that, I place it inside the arm side, stitch all the way around, and all what's left to do is finish the hemlines and the dress is completed. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love how it turned out, and the fabric is just like super easy to work with, and this type of fabric doesn't wrinkle, so this is like a perfect travel dress. So I hope you like this tutorial and give it a likes, and don't forget to follow me. I will see you in the next one. Bye.